What's going on, welcome back to the channel. So we have our kit of the month from Salvinos JR Models, and I'm not going to question it. I think this is March. The reason it's March is because it is very late, but of course I'm in the Motors Club and you're in the Facebook group page. They basically explain why it's late. The main reason why, if this is March 1, which I believe it is, the main reason why it's late is because the decals. The decals were shipped very late. They were made. I'm not sure what was the issue, but they said the decal issue was pretty bad. So no one can get this kit, and not even the Motors Club, because Motors Club people get their kits, you know, a couple weeks earlier than before the public gets it. But this is the one that we've all been waiting for, and it is the Richard Petty 1972 Chrysler Dodge Road, or this is basically the Road Runner. Really cool. Really neat. So looking forward to get this one, and this art box is absolutely fantastic. This is really cool. So we got that, and then we do have our free decals, and we got this dude before. Basically Richard Petty scheme for Salvinos JR Models. That's pretty cool. So I think I got that one before, so that's pretty cool. Got another one. And then in the Motors Club you do get your free decals. This one I've gotten multiple of. I probably have like 5 of these, but hey, if you screw up, I'm in good hands. So I'll definitely do this car one of these days. But we got this one. This is pretty neat. We got our Richard Petty. Again, I have this one as well. This is for the Grand Prix. This is like 1990s, I believe. 1992, there it is. So that's pretty cool. So we got that one, and we got another Kyle Larson. This is his 2024 Indy race car, NASCAR, basically for his Daytona 600 and Indy. So pretty cool. So I got all these before, but hey, you can never have too many, because if you screw up, you're in good hands. So this is the one we've been waiting for. Chrysler Plymouth. This is really cool. We all know what this is. This is the Road Runner. Really neat, and I obviously just love this body style. And again, Richard Petty, we cannot have too many Richard Petty kits. So again, this is the January, February, March. Yeah, this is a March kit of the month. So this is the last one we just got. Well, 2 months ago, I should say, we got that one, and it's basically, what is it? It's May. So it's May, and we're just getting this kit. I actually just got this April 29th or 28th. So I got it very late April, but you guys have seen it now. Let's go ahead and crack it open just for the heck of it. And there's people in the Motors Club, they are whining and complaining and stuff, saying it's late. I know, because we pay for the kits and stuff, but it's not their fault why it's late, because these decals, I'm not exactly sure where these decals are coming from. It's a different country, of course. So that, I have no clue where the decals are from. I think they did mention where the decals are from, but I totally forgot the country. But again, they are shipping them from across the seas. So, and of course, we all know what's going on in Power World right now, and shipping and stuff. So that is why it's late. But I'm not complaining, because I have tons of NASCAR kits I can do. So there's no reason to really complain. There's our clear parts. There is our beautiful Road Runner body. Man, this is pretty cool. And it does not say Road Runner on the box art, because they don't want to pay for licensing on the Road Runner. So it just says Chrysler Plymouth. But this body style is beautiful. Again, from JR Models. They're the ones that made this kit. It's going to have the treaded tires on there. Really cool. And then, of course, we got our typical chassis tree. Again, this chassis shares the Road Runner. It shares the Monte Carlo, the 70s Monte Carlo. It shares the Oldsmobile. So this chassis, it goes with a lot of stuff. The Charger even. So this chassis shares a lot of stuff, but that's why there's different wheelbases in this engine. You use that same engine block, but there's different, heads and stuff you put on it. so it looks pretty good. So it is will fit away because again, this is an actual true JR Models kit. So you just gotta pay extra close attention to the instructions. And I love this instruction sheet because it is a book style, and the reason why I love it is because it does not stress people out. If it's like a map style, it tends to stress people out, like, oh my gosh, look at all these parts, look at all these, you know, steps and stuff. That's why I like the book style, because they can just focus on one page at a time, and that is, you know, just 2 steps, you know, and next page 2 more steps. If it's like a map style, they're looking at the entire thing at once, and it just stresses people out. That's why I like the book style. And also another reason why I like the book style is because it takes less room on the bench, you know what I mean? It takes a lot less room. And so really nice instructions, and I hope JR Models can keep doing this. It seems like the only decal sheet or the instructions doing this with is the Roadrunner stuff, but I hope they can do this with the next gen cars and, you know, all the other cars they have. There is your decal placement. It is a little small, but I'm sure you can break out your magnifying glass. You can see there is your color guide right there. So really cool. So instruction sheet is really nice. We're all here for the decals, and this is what basically hold up the kit right here. So let's see if this is worth it or not. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's worth it. This is truly well worth it. This is definitely worth the wait. I mean, it's almost what, almost a month and a half, 2 months old, almost late. This is definitely worth the wait. And again, it is from Power Slide Cartograph, so these are the guys that is cross the seas. So, but you're looking at the detail in these things. They're absolutely fantastic, and these decals are really well made. There is your seat pattern for your seat, your gauge cluster, and this bright, like, orange reddish color. I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful. You get your striping on the hood that's unique for this particular car. This is really cool. But is it worth it? Absolutely. These decals are really good. Now, JR Models, Jim and Rick, they did say they are going to look into a different decal company. I just hope whatever they're looking into, I hope they're just as good as these, because I know they're across the seas, shipping and stuff. It delays the kits, but let's just hope if the company they find in the USA, let's just hope they make them as good as Power Slide does Cartograph, because these are really hard to beat, and these are just absolutely stunning decals. So if they do find a new decal sheet or these decal company that is based in the US, I just pray to hope they're just as high quality as this, if not better, because these are going to be very hard to beat. So honestly, I'm not going to put it they're late, because I'm pretty sure most of us has plenty of NASCAR kits on our stash. We can wait almost 2 months. I know people are complaining on a Facebook group page, where's my kit? It's because it's just the things that's going on around the world right now. And, you know, but is it worth it? I'm gonna say 100% yes. These are definitely worth the wait. I know Jim and Rick says they pre-order the kits, they order decals, you know, months ahead of time before even before we even know about the cars, because it takes months to make these decals and stuff. So, but I have no complaints. These are real worth it, and they're really absolutely fantastic decals, and that's what makes JR kits really stand out from the monogram modes and stuff, or kits, because these decals are so damn good. So I'm glad. Yes, it is a month and a half, almost 2 months wait, but is it worth it? 100% yes. Decals are well worth it, and that's what makes the NASCAR kit stand out, is the decals. So, but very good kit, absolutely love it. Pick this kit up. I believe it's still on pre-order for you guys when this video is coming out. I'm not sure yet, but it should be shipping here very shortly, very soon to the public, to you guys, to your hobby shop, whatever wherever your JR Model kit's from. But really good kit, absolutely fantastic, and this is definitely a good one. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you next time.